Today I am going to describe about discrete mathematics. Topic included principle of mathematical induction, permutation and combination, well-ordered principle with theorem, recursive definitions, the division algorithm, prime numbers, and greatest common divisor, which called GCD. Induction. To understand the basic principle of mathematical inductions, suppose a set of thin rectangular tiles are placed in order as shown in figure. When the first tile is pushed in the indicated direction, the first tile falls. In the event that any tile falls, in successor will necessarily falls. This is underlying principle of mathematical induction. Means that any any tiles are any profile of tiles are placed in such a order manner. When we want to fall any one of tiles, then the successor the successor tiles definitely falls. Principle of mathematical induction. The principle of mathematical induction is one such tool which can be used to prove a wide variety of mathematical statements. Each such statement is assumed as Pn associated with positive integer n, for which the correctness for the case n1 is examined. Then assume the truth of pk for some positive integer k. The truth of pk plus 1 is established. There is a given statement Pn involving the natural number n such that the statement is true for n equal to 1, that is P1 is true, and second, the statement is true for n equal to k, where k is some positive integer. Then the statement is also true for n equal to k plus 1, that is the truth of pk implies the truth of pk plus 1. And last one, then Pn is true for all natural number n. Here you get any any function like Pn is true for n equal to 1, then we get any positive integer n equal to k. Then we have to find the truth value of n equal to k plus 1. Type of question to be solved by using PMI. Here PMI stands for Principle of Mathematical Induction. Statements giving expression about summation or multiplication of a special series. Statement of show the divisibility of an expression by a certain natural number. Statements containing sign of inequality means that there are three types of question are given in principle of mathematical induction, like that summation or multiplication of a special series, divisibility of expression by certain natural numbers, or inequality, sign of inequality. Type 1. Question are Question is, for all n greater than equal to 1, prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Solution. Let the given statement be Pn. Pn equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 for n equal to 1. Here P1, यहाँ हम इक्वल साइन का यूज नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ हम इक्वलिटी का यूज करेंगे, और जहां जहां n का वैल्यू है हम वहां पे 1 रखेंगे. देन वी गोट p1 इक्वल टू 1, which is true, therefore pn is true. Assume that pk is true for some positive integer k, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to k square, and we got k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6. This is equation first. Now we shall now prove that p k plus 1 is also true. Here we put the value for n equal to k plus 1. Now we have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to k square plus k plus 1 whole square. Then we get the value of this equation is k into k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 into 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 6. Thus, pk plus 1 is true wherever pk is true. Hence, from the principle of mathematical induction, the statement is true for all natural number n. Type 2. Question is, for every positive integer n, prove that 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. Solution. We can write Pn equal to 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. We note that P1 equal to 7 to the power 1 minus 3 to the power 1 equal to 4, which is divisible by 4. Thus, Pn is true for n equal to 1. Let pk is true for some natural number k, that is pk equal to 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is divisible by 4. Now we can write 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k equal to 4d, where d belongs to any natural number n. Now we wish to prove that pk plus 1 is true for any integer value n equal to k plus 1. Whenever pk is true, now 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 equal to 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 7 into 3 to the power k plus 7 into 3 to the power k minus 3 into 3 to the power k plus 1. Here, here, here 7 into minus 3 to the power k and plus 7 into 3 to the power k हम अपने मन से लिए हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हमको इनइक्वलिटी के साइन को शो करना है फॉर एनी इंटीजर वैल्यू k के लिए. Then 7 into 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k plus 7 minus 3 into 3 to the power k equal to 7 into 4d. यहाँ 4d इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से आया है जब एनी इंटीजर वैल्यू n के लिए हम n इक्वल टू k लिए हैं, प्लस 7 minus 3 into 3 to the power k equal to 7 into 4d plus 4 into 3 to the power k equal to 4 into 7d plus 3 to the power k. From the last line, we see that 7 into 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by 4. Thus, pk plus 1 is true when pk is true. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, the statement Pn is true for every positive integer n. Then next is type 3. Question is, prove that 2 to the power n is greater than for all positive integer n. Solution. Let Pn be the given statement. Pn equal to 2 to the power n greater than n. When n equal to 1, then we get 2 to the power 1 always greater than 1. Hence, Pn is true. Assume that pk is true for any positive integer k. That is, 2 to the power k is always greater than k. This is equation first. We shall now prove that p of k plus 1 is true whenever pk is true. Multiplying both sides of equation first by 2, we get 2 into 2 to the power k is always greater than 2k. Then we get 2 to the power k plus 1 is always greater than 2k. Hence, we get pk plus is true when pk is true. Then, by the principle of mathematical induction, Pn is always true for every positive integer n. Thank you.